Did you know that ChatGPT can be more than just a chatbot? I bet you didn't know it could actually transform the way you work, study, or even strategize. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to use ChatGPT like a pro. So if you're ready to level up, stick around, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more AI-powered secrets from Electro Techverse. All right, let's start with a powerful 3-step rule that'll turn you into a ChatGPT expert. Follow this. Step 1. Act as a prompt engineer. Yep, all you need to do is tell ChatGPT to review your prompt. Just type, "Review the following prompt for me," and paste your text. Step 2. Ask ChatGPT to optimize it, making it clear and precise. And Step 3. Tell ChatGPT, "Ask me any questions before starting." This way, it refines the prompt to get you the best possible answer every time. Imagine this. Just with these 3 steps, you're not only getting responses, you're getting tailored solutions. Next up, let's talk trigger words. These are words that make ChatGPT respond with precision. Words like summarize, outline, analyze, and even debate push ChatGPT to give you more structured and insightful answers. Let's say you're trying to get a creative idea. Instead of just asking for ideas, type "brainstorm unique ideas for X" and watch the magic happen. Here's a fun one. Get ChatGPT into roleplay mode. ChatGPT loves playing different roles. For example, you can tell it, "Act as a teacher and quiz me on this topic," or "Act as an employer and interview me for a job." Want more examples? Try, "Pretend to be a customer giving feedback on my product," or "Act as a fitness coach and make a workout plan." Each role gives you specialized answers, saving you hours of research and brainstorming. But here's a secret hack only a few pros know. Use ChatGPT alongside Prompt-Genie.com. Why? Prompt-Genie actually enhances your prompts, giving you deeper, more advanced answers. So if you're working on a complex project, type your idea into Prompt-Genie first, then copy it to ChatGPT. Trust me, you'll notice a difference. Short on time? Try Snack-Prompt.com. It's packed with pre-built, detailed prompts you can use directly. Need a quick tutorial on Python? A personalized marketing strategy? Snack-Prompt's got you covered. Just browse, copy, and paste. That's it. All right, here are a few shady but powerful tips. Tip 1. Use ChatGPT to rewrite complex ideas in simple terms for better understanding or teaching. Tip 2. Get ChatGPT to debate both sides of an argument, so you understand every angle. And here's a sneaky trick. Ask ChatGPT to write multiple choice questions on a topic you're learning. It's like having your own personal study guide. With these tips, you'll have ChatGPT working at full capacity. So, which trick are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments. Liked these pro tips? Hit that like button and subscribe for more AI and tech insights right here on Electro Techverse. And don't forget to click the bell so you don't miss any of our Ultra Pro Max content. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.